Princeton, New Jersey. This project we did 3 months ago. We've got here all the stucco. We fixed the stucco. It was huge gaps between the stucco and the trim. We filled it up with the new stucco. We've got a stucco specialist that's applying all the cement. He mixed the cement, stucco, and then we painted the entire house. We also replaced 2 of the windows on the top, and we replaced the circle vent on the 3rd floor. It's like the attic area. And we painted the entire house on the exterior side. Other than that, our stone guy did some stone installation here. It was Wilmar. He did the stone installation. All this stone here. As you see here, this is the back of the house. Probably this house is about 3,800 square footage. This is the back of the house. As you see the deck. We cleaned the deck last year. We renovated the entire exterior of the house. We applied stucco on this side of the house. We applied stucco on 2 walls that was completely damaged, probably from years and years of like water that somehow traveled into behind the stucco and ruined the stucco. And we did some water damage restoration inside the house from the water damage. And we applied stucco here, and we painted the entire house. We used really like a premium paint for exterior stucco, and we painted the entire house. We fixed 2 of the gutters here. It was not the correct slope. Now the water goes all the way from the gutter to the downspouts and into the ground. We did that, and we installed a few light fixtures here. You see this light fixture? I think in the back of the house we installed like 3 light fixtures. We fixed the umbrella on the deck, and we power washed also some chairs, and things looking good. The house looks good. It was a big project. We spent here about 10 days. We had 2 stucco guys, 1 carpenter, about 5 painters, and we primed the entire house in 1 coat, and then we painted the 2 coats. House looks good, perfect, satisfied, very, very satisfied clients. Thank you. This house in Princeton, New Jersey, we applied stucco on 3 sections of the house, brand new stucco, because the stucco was collapsing. This house is from probably 1980. I don't know what they did exactly when they installed, but the stucco didn't last, so it was like collapsing. So we installed stucco on 3 walls, completely 3 walls, like on the garage side also. And then we painted the entire house with the stucco paint by Benjamin Moore. We love Benjamin Moore brand. Also, this vent, we installed brand new vent, and obviously we painted it. We cleaned the gutters. We did many services here. We installed the ring, the camera. We changed 2 windows on this side of the house. Also, we did lots of projects inside the house, the interior. We did some painting. We stained the stairs. We stained the railing and spindles. We changed a few of the spindles. We did some stonework here. So we did the painting, the windows installation, gutter cleaning, power washing, of course, before the painting. We did some cleaning. We removed all the mold and mildew, scraping, all that. Many area here. We're missing cement. You see all these corners right now, it's like 90 degrees, perfect 90 degrees. It used to be broken here, and we made it like 90 degrees. Beautiful finish. We used a chalk line to make sure that it's a straight line, everything here. As you see, we have here all the stone that we installed. Just the front of the house, it looks beautiful, especially if you like to park your cars next to the house. Garage doors, we didn't touch them. The same garage door. Our electrician installed some few light fixture. We installed here 2 in the front door between the 2 car garage. As you see, the finish is beautiful. The lines just perfect. Look at the lines, just perfect. We took our time. We did a beautiful job. The clients very, very satisfied. We just met them. They came outside. They are very, very satisfied.